Hero helped us to build the most complex thing that we could ever build.
The entire application with only 3 magic prompts, which is insane. You can see here that it completed the whole application and there are only 50 credits left. I started with spreads, which generated 3 task files that completed 90% of the application with complete context, which no other IDE in the current marketplace can do. Did not touch the code manually and it was fully vibe coded. The thing that blew my mind is this API integration part. Hero did it in a flash, which could take a senior developer a month of work.
Hi, I'm Teja, I'm a founder, and this is Surya. He's a developer. We traveled all the way about 1100 kilometers to come together and build for this hackathon with one simple frustration in common that both founders and developers do have. Every day as a founder, I situated too many things. Stocks in one tab, emails in another tab, meetings in calendar, and news on random websites. And my entire focus is constantly fragmented. At the same time, Surya as a developer feels the same pain when he tried to connect multiple APIs into a single product. Doing all this becomes too much complex and abundant work for you. Because every integration takes time and every API has different format and every authentication works differently. So if you understood this well, this is huge and complex and would take months to complete. But with Hero, in less than a week.
I created hooks for me on the go that help automate repetitive tasks like commit message helpers, test on save, etc. The way Hero maintains context across the app is unmatchable to any IDE present in the market right now.
Now let's get into the demo. StitchAPI lets you connect multiple APIs, applications and treat them like a one single intelligent system. So here is a sleek landing page, very beautiful, generated by Hero. Now let's sign in. This is all real time. Let's customize a new API. Select the sources. You can merge all the apps and APIs like OpenAI, YouTube Data, V3, CoinGecko, email, calendar, GitHub, music and news in one place as a unified service which can be viewed as a dashboard in founder perspective, like all apps in one place, or take the generated SDK and use it in your own app as a developer's perspective. Some are free here and some are premiums and we are looking forward to integrate more. Once selected, configure them to connect. Provide the required key at every source and it's that simple. Just connect. So these are some endpoints that you could select. You could choose your own. Click generate endpoint. Now this generates a SDK with endpoints in seconds that developers could use them to unifiedly integrate all of these into their single product very easily. Instead of writing painful integration code again and again, the platform handles it for you. Yeah, so here it is. But wait, we are not done yet. Now deploy this and see the dashboard. Here it is. Send a request and it gets you everything. Yeah, you could see all applications at your fingertips in a single click instead of switching between apps now. Founders can see everything in one dashboard and further developers can also use as a SDK with their priority sources. All the 6 sources that we selected previously were here at one place.
One single dashboard for founders and one unified integration for developers, all stitched into one experience. And the best part, you can add your own services anytime you want. Thanks to Hero and try StitchAPI.